In this video, I'm going to show you why most productivity hacks don't work. Not because you are lazy or unmotivated, but because your nervous system is actually the one running the show, behind the scenes. I learned this the hard way. I used to be all about performance. I was disciplined, structured. I had my vision board, my morning routines, even my accountability systems. But despite all that, I'll hit invisible walls. I feel exhausted, stuck, or emotionally drained. My focus would just disappear, so would my drive. At first, I thought I just needed to try harder, be more consistent, but the truth was this. I wasn't burnt out because I was weak. I was burnt out because my nervous system was overloaded. My body didn't feel safe, and no amount of strategy could override that. The moment I started honouring my body, listening to its cues and making space for real regulation, that is when things shifted. My business didn't just grow, it started flowing. I felt clearer, lighter and more myself. So no, the answer isn't another productivity app, or waking up 4 AM to journal and have a cold plunge. And it's not just about thinking more positive thoughts either. The real unlock, it is nervous system regulation. It's learning how to create internal safety so your energy can move freely again. Because when your system feels constantly stressed or under threat, even in subtle ways, your body won't let you expand. You'll unconsciously block your own visibility, success or peace. Not because you are broken, but because you are protecting yourself. That is what I want you to walk you through today. I'm going to show you the 3 subtle patterns that signal your nervous system is off balance. How this impacts your business, focus and sense of worth. And 3 daily practices to bring you back into balance so you can lead with energy and ease again. Quick question before we dive deeper. How often do you push through fatigue, even when your body is begging for rest? Share your experiences in comments. I know I used to do it constantly, and I love to hear how it showed up for you. The invisible saboteur. Let's name what most people miss. You are not lazy. You are not undisciplined. You are not broken. You might be just operating in survival mode. When your nervous system senses threat, emotional, rational, or even financial, it pulls your energy inward to keep you safe. It shuts down expansion, not to punish you, but to protect you. So even if constantly you want to grow, launch that offer, show up online, scale your business. Your system might still be saying it is not safe. Here's how that can show up. You delay launching because visibility feels exposing. You overwork because slowing down feels threatening. You sabotage success because a deeper part of you fear of being seen or judged. This isn't a mindset issue. It is a wiring, and it is changeable. 3 clues your system is off balance. Here are 3 signs your nervous system might be overstretched. Number 1. You'll feel safer from overgiving than receiving. You earn your rest. You only allowed to eat after exhaustion. You are comfortable doing, but struggle to just be. Number 2. You experience emotional whiplash. One small comment or setback can spiral your mood, focus, or confidence. You feel ungrounded more often than not. Number 3. You live in boom-bust cycles. You go hard for weeks, then crash. You create intense bursts, then you go to own business or ideas. It is not inconsistently. It is a survival rhythm. Pause for a moment. Do any of these sound like you? Share your experience in the comments. Just drop a yes if this is resonating. You are not alone. I see this in 95% of high performers that I work with. Your nervous system is your business partner. Here is the truth. If your nervous system doesn't feel safe, your business won't feel sustainable. You either overdo, underdo, or avoid completely. You'll second guess your ideas. You chase clarity, but never quite feel it. But when you restore internal safety, everything changes. Your energy becomes steady. Your voice becomes clear. You don't execute, you embody. Regulation isn't self-care. It is a business strategy. It gives you emotional stability, so no triggers don't derail your day. For creative clarity, because you are no longer in threat mode. Magnetic presence, because people feel your peace. You become more consistent, not from pressure, but from presence. 3 daily practices to restore regulations. These are the tools I give my private clients, and they change the game for them. Number 1. Sensation mapping. Do this for 3 minutes. Close your eyes and gently scan your body where you feel tight, tense or activated. Just name it. Don't fix it. Naming creates space. Number 2. Micro-dosing stillness. Twice a day. Stop for 60 seconds. No phones, no scrolling, no agenda. Just breathe. And let your system feel nothing is chasing me. Safety is built in the pause. Number 3. Redefine winning. Start celebrating moments of nervous system success. When you rest, when you say no, when you slow down, this rewires your brain to see balance as success, not just the hustle. Bonus tip, add 1 nervous system win to your gratitude list daily. A new way to lead. You don't need another hustle hack. You need the nervous system wholeness. When your body feels safe, your business becomes a place of creation, not survival. You think clearer. You relate better. You stop burning out. You're becoming magnetic, not because you're allowed, but because you are regulated. Which of the 3 tools are you going to start using first? I'd love to hear how this landed for you. Thank you for watching Unparalleled Lifestyle. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.